French way. Hi, it's Nicola here. Here is the chance for you to download my ebook offering you the opportunity to paint 5 of my lovely French paintings. We're going to start off with that iconic French little pink number, the Deux Chevaux, and it's going to be quite easy to paint. That'll be fun. Appeal to lots of people, ooh la la. We're then going to move on to one of those lovely finds you find in the old French markets, some antique blue and white enamelware, perfect for kitchen painting. We're then going to wander around the outskirts of my village, Caronte, in the south of France, to look at the pretty chateau and vineyard. Oh, can't you just feel that sunny blue sky? Then we're going to walk further into the vineyards to take a look at the grapes that's available. These look so good, plump and ready to eat, and lots of effects in that one. We'll then return to my village for the 11th century steps behind the old abbey. Oh, there's something for everybody here. You'll get the full details, what paints to need, what brushes, the picture, the tracing, the instructions, the work in progress, the lot. So, come and visit me soon.